Are you ready to embark on a two-wheeled adventure of a lifetime? Whether you're a seasoned rider or a motorbike enthusiast gearing up for your first tour, knowing the right information can make all the difference. So let's dive into this exciting world of motorbike touring and discover why these 10 things are an absolute must-know. So research and plan your route. This involves studying maps, using GPS navigation tools, and researching online resources to determine the best route for your motorbike tour. Consider factors such as the distance you'll be covering, the road conditions you may encounter such as twists, turns, or gravel, and the attractions or landmarks you'd like to visit along the way. By planning in advance, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable ride, avoiding unnecessary detours or challenges. Always check the weather. Weather conditions can significantly impact your riding experience. Stay updated on weather forecasts for the regions you'll be traveling to and pack accordingly. If rain or cold temperatures are expected, bring appropriate rain gear, warm clothing, and protective layers. Being prepared for sudden changes in weather will keep you comfortable and safe throughout your tour. The next point is understanding your local traffic rules and regulations. Each country or region may have its own set of traffic laws and regulations. It's essential to familiarize yourself with these rules, including speed limits, helmet requirements, lane usage, and any specific laws related to motorbike riders. By understanding and respecting local traffic rules, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free journey, avoiding unnecessary fines and legal issues. Get the right travel insurance, guys. Accidents and mishaps can happen on the road, and it's crucial to have the right travel insurance coverage. Look for comprehensive travel insurance and include medical coverage for emergencies, coverage for any bike-related damages or theft, and even coverage for trip cancellations or interruptions. Having adequate insurance will provide peace of mind and financial protection during your tour. Service and maintain your bike. That's extremely important. Before embarking on your motorbike tour, take your bike to a professional mechanic for a thorough service and inspection. This ensures that your bike is in optimal condition and all essential components are functioning properly. If you can do this yourself, of course, yes, why not? But always trust in professionals on this one, especially if you are going to a long route or a long tour in multiple countries. Additionally, perform regular maintenance checks during your tour, such as checking tire pressure, oil levels, and brakes to prevent any breakdowns or mechanical issues during your journey. Pack smart and light. When it comes to packing for a motorbike tour, it's important to prioritize essential items and keep your luggage lightweight. Pack your riding gear, including a helmet, jacket, gloves and boots, as well as spare parts and tools for minor repairs. Carry necessary documents such as your driver's license, passport and insurance papers. Keeping your luggage compact and well organized will help maintain balance and maneuverability on the bike. This is a funny one, but yeah, most of the time it's overlooked. Stay hydrated and fuel up. Riding long distances can be physically demanding, especially in warm weather. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout your tour. Plan your fuel stops in advance, considering the distance between gas stations and any remote areas you'll be passing through. Running out of fuel in isolated locations can be problematic, so ensure you have enough gas to reach the next available station. Make sure you communicate with your itinerary. It's important to share your travel plans and itinerary with a trusted friend or a family member who is enjoying the tour. Provide them with details such as your route, accommodation information, and estimated time of arrival at each destination. Regularly check in with them during your tour and update them on your progress, and ensure someone knows your whereabouts in case of emergencies. Stay alert and ride defensively. Paying attention to your surroundings and riding defensively is crucial for your safety on the road. Anticipate potential road hazards such as potholes, gravel, or sudden curves. Be cautious of other drivers and maintain a safe distance from vehicles around you. Use hand signals and proper lane positioning to communicate your intentions to other road users. Defensive riding techniques help minimize the risk of accidents and ensure a smooth and enjoyable ride. Embrace the adventure. and enjoy the journey. A motorbike tour is not just about reaching the final destination, is it? It's about the entire journey and the experiences you have along the way. Stay open to new discoveries, interact with the local culture, and savor every moment of the ride. Take time to appreciate the beautiful landscapes, try local cuisines, and create lasting memories. Embracing the nature will make your motorbike tour truly unforgettable. Remember, safety first, pack wisely, and get ready to embrace the adventure of a lifetime. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, ride on, and let's keep exploring the world on the road, one road at a time.